Hey guys, this is Utkarsh from Automate the Boring, and today I have a case study to share with all of you where uh, you can actually find the true cost per lead without having to scratch your head too much and without having to, you know, not have faith on Google Ads conversion rates and the Meta Ads conversion rates that they tell you basically. A lot of times what happens is this in marketing strategies. You start running Google Ads, correct? Then someone clicks on the ad, they make a purchase, and Google Ads records a conversion basically. But GA4 could attribute that conversion to a different platform, possibly Meta, if you're running Meta ads as well, because of their data driven attribution model. And this is what it would look like. So a user might have gone to the website or your channel to make the purchase through a Meta ad before, but they actually did not convert. But maybe like after a couple of days or a couple of hours, the user go clicks on a Google ad for the same product, same service, and then makes a purchase. Now the big question is, both platforms, Meta and Google, they're going to show you a conversion, right? And this can skew the understanding of your ROAS, return on ad spent, how much you're actually uh, getting the worth out of the spend that you're making on these channels, right, in the form of ads. So this is where a custom data model comes in handy. You can create it in Google Sheets very easily. Here I am running a script. I can quickly show you guys. While that opens up, let me show you what all we have in this Google Sheet. We have raw Google Ads data coming in, date, campaign name, cost, clicks, and the conversions, right? Day wise. Perfect. Similarly, with raw Meta Ads data, you have the campaign spend, clicks, platform conversions. Perfect. And these two are over the same period. Now, raw GA4 data. This is an interesting one because if your digital assets, which is the website, uh, right? If it is connected with GA4, which it should be, you have to trust the GA4 data for conversions understanding because GA4 does not have an incentive to give you skewed conversions, right? Uh, GA4 does not try to skew the data towards either Google Ads or Meta Ads. So you have to go with their attribution model, with their algorithm that they use, right? And GA4 will give you conversions day wise for the UTM campaigns. Same thing. But now what we are going to do is we are going to create a campaign map. This is what we have actually done. So this is what I call a unified key model at Automate the Boring. What you basically do is you create a unified key called unified keys for the campaigns that you're running and even for GA4 UTM campaign parameters too. So search brand is your unified key. Search brand is the macro campaign, right? But if you drill down in Google, it might be search brand terms, Meta might be empty. In GA4 UTM, you would be calling it search brand, search generic, Google Ads, right? Nothing in Meta, but in GA4 is search generic. So what this is doing is it's basically capturing and attributing all the UTM campaigns from your GA4, right, to the relevant Meta or Google Ads conversion, right? The campaign in those platforms. Now the script basically that I have here, it's running. What we basically do is we blend the data, and this is what you get. So real spend for search brand campaign. Now, what was search brand? Search brand is Google Ads search brand terms campaign, and the unified key was search brand you actually spent $5,400. Claimed conversions by Google were 196. All right. And GA4 actually says 157. So that's the blended data for us. Claimed ROAS is 30 times, but the real ROAS is 24.54. It would be less because you can see the GA4 verified conversions are lesser than the claim conversions. So gap was minus 19%. I won't go through all of these. Let's go to the one with the biggest gap that we found. It was meta retarget. Okay, so let's go back. Let's see what meta retarget is. Retargeting warm audience. This is inside meta. Okay, so let's just quickly confirm if this exists or not. I'm going to create a filter. Let's search for it. Okay, yeah, so it does indeed exist. And how many clicks did we get? Oh, sorry, I should be looking at conversions. So 89. Perfect. So meta retarget. So this was meta retarget. 89 claim conversions. All right. So actually it's 36. Why is it 36? Because in GA4, again, we'll filter the data. Okay, so only meta retarget. Let's see how many conversions. 36. Perfect. So these many sessions, 36 conversions compared to claimed 89. So claimed ROAS was 8.3, which was pretty huge, right? But the actual ROAS is 3.36, a gap of 60%. And this is the beauty of blending data, right? Because you can never be too reliant on the platforms themselves. Some solutions out there like Supermetrics, they do this out of the box, but they're not easy to navigate. It's the basic feature, the basic solution that you need, something like this, you have to pay a lot of money, a lot of dollars to, and that too for a subscription, right? For out of the box solutions. And they give you so many features that you probably won't end up using just to get something basic like this, right? So this is what I suggest doing manually. All you have to do is add this script in your Google Sheet, connect your accounts using the API keys, and you just have to hit uh, once you run the script, you'll have to click run here, and periodically you can see the blended data and the real ROAS and the real spend. And the next step to this can be creating a dashboard like this. So this is what you can do, right? You can create something neat like this. Platform claimed ROS was 4.8x, but actual ROS that we got from both were 2.85. Claimed ROX per channel gap, you can see here beautifully in a graph format. It's very easy to read, very easy to understand, and your stakeholders, your uh, C-level executives, the VPs, the directors, the marketing directors, they're going to love this kind of a thing, right? So if you're working in a marketing team, definitely implement something like this. It's very easy to do. You can use AI to help you write the script. All you have to do is give it a nice prompt, and then you'll start seeing the real ROS on your spend for these platforms. All right, I hope this video helps. And if you have any other problem that you're facing with your marketing or sales funnel or any channels that are digital, send me an email. It will be in the description, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.